Get out of here! Oh my god! You're so annoying! Get off my ship! Oh my god! Wow!
Wait, like, how do you think you're gonna win this?
I'm trying to rip it off. Oh my god, you're so close to shit. Brett doesn't know how to fly! Oh my god, Brett!
This is too funny.
How did
Wow.
you break? Oh,
That was so good. Okay, I found a new way to troll people. Just gonna like
I
land
still
on
have my
people.
Gatling gun, and it's
Just
fully
land on
loaded.
people's ships and fucking fly them places. Oh fuck. Oh, dang it, broke something. Oh, never mind.
I'm really tempted to just gat you down.
Do you actually have that loaded?
Yeah, I've got so much ammo in here.
Oh, sick. How much does it cost to make it? It's a lot of magnesium, right?
Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous.
Can you please shoot him? I've been recording this.
Alright, got it. Got it, coach.
Ah, no, no, yet.
Oh, you would have hit my freaking ship.
You're the one shooting.
Apparently I'm out of ammunition already.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, inertial dampeners. Okay, almost rammed you. Man, my thing is super maneuverable. It's so sick.